Good morning, students. I hope you all are well. And in this video, we are going to do the map of the major soil types in India. Which map? The major soil types in India. I told you that there are six major soils available in India. Number one, the most fertile soil, that is alluvial soil, black soil, red and yellow soil, laterite soil, arid soil, forest and mountainous soil. How many soils are there? Six. Number one, alluvial. Number two, black. Number three, red and yellow. Number four, laterite. Number five, arid. And number six, forest and mountainous soil. So we will start from the top of India. And which soil is there at the top of India, as it is clear by name, mountainous soil. On the north side, what is there? Mountains are there of India, right? This area, Jammu and Kashmir, Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh, Sikkim, and western part of Arunachal Pradesh. And western part of Arunachal Pradesh, which soil is there? Here, mountainous and forest soil is present. Which soil is present? Mountainous and forest soil. Right. In this area, what is there? Mountainous and forest soil. Next soil is there, that is alluvial soil. That is alluvial soil. The most fertile soil, that is alluvial. How it is formed? It is carried by the river. It is carried by the rivers. Right. So, which the Punjab? 5 plus Ab. That is the combination of 5 river. So, Punjab, Haryana, UP, Bihar, West Bengal and Meghalaya. What is there? There is alluvial soil. There is alluvial soil. This West Bengal, and along with this, what is there? And eastern coast. What is there? Eastern coast. This eastern coast is also with the alluvial soil. This eastern coast is also with the alluvial soil because many rivers are drained into Bay of Bengal. Many rivers are drained into Bay of Bengal. So what they are carrying? They are carrying the alluvial soil and they are depositing at the coastal area. Right. And these areas are Haryana, Punjab, UP, West Bengal, Bihar, and eastern coast of India. Along with the leave the central part of Gujarat, other part is full of alluvial soil. Central part is with black soil of Gujarat and other part of Gujarat is of alluvial soil. Right. Next soil is black soil. Next soil is black soil. I told you or you have read about Deccan Plateau. You have read about Deccan Plateau. It is one there central part of Gujarat. Central part of Gujarat is what? Central part of Gujarat is what? Black soil. Central part of Gujarat is what? Black soil. And some part of Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, what is there? What is there? Deccan Plateau. Deccan Plateau, what is there? This is black soil. This area is of black soil. Simple thing. How you can learn? Maharashtra, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh. These areas are famous for cotton production. These areas are famous for cotton production. And cotton production, for cotton production, which soil is best? That is a black soil. That is a black soil. And rest part of India, which soil is there? that is red and yellow soil. This area, the rest one area is which soil is there, red and yellow soil. This area what is there, red and yellow soil. In this area what you have to mark, red and yellow soil. Leave the western coast. Leave the western coast. This area is for the laterite soil. This area and Meghalaya is for the laterite soil. Why? Because it is how laterite soil is formed, where there is high rainfall and high temperature. Mainly rainfall is high. What is there? There is formation of laterite soil. There is removal of the fertile soil from the area due to the heavy rain. That's why this soil is known as the laterite soil, because monsoon is enters from here and high rainfall is there. Due to that, this soil loses its fertility and it is known as the laterite soil. And in Meghalaya, same thing is there, right? So this was our map. We have read about the forest and mountainous soil, alluvial soil, red and yellow soil, black soil, laterite soil, and arid soil is left. Arid soil, this simple thing is there where there is sand in Rajasthan. Simply the western Rajasthan. Mark the western Rajasthan along with the Aravalli hills. Besides on the west of the Aravalli hills, what is there? Completely arid soil is there. What is there? Completely arid soil is there. I hope so. You people are getting the things whatever I am telling you. If facing any problem, please do contact me. And many students are not watching the video, so please watch the video and do your work. Thank you. Stay home, be safe, be healthy.